Were you in a relationship as fat? Hi, I'm Mawra. I'm not an influencer, and in this video, I want to answer all the frequently asked questions that I get asked about my weight loss, my journey, which diet did I follow. So, the first question: how long did it take? I started when I was 9 years old, so that was the first time when I was like, "Hey, I'm going to lose the weight. I'm very fat," and I went to the gym and I did that for quite some time, and then I gained the weight back, and then I lost and gained weight a lot of times in my life, and I think collectively it is definitely over 120 kg that I've lost. But the major weight loss that you see, the before and the during, when I was 25 years old, that is when I had started, and I weighed 115 then, and it took me roughly 14 months to get down to 62. And after that, I went to Bombay and I gained like 10 kg. So I went up to 72, and then I plateaued at 72 for some time. And then I came down to 68. That is also when I started lifting heavy, and I didn't care about the weight that much. And 2 years back, I got like hardcore into bodybuilding, gone up to almost 68, 69 during a bulk. And after a cut, I was down to like 58, 57. Currently, my weight is 56. I'm also not training because of an injury. So, to answer your question as to how long did it take, started when I was 9, it will continue for life. Okay. Question number 2: why don't you have loose skin? I have a lot of loose skin. It may not show on my images so much because of how it's captured, maybe the lighting. And also, the amount of loose skin that I have right now is considerably lesser since I started lifting very heavy for the past 3-4 years. But even then, I do have a lot of loose skin, especially in the lower belly, inner thighs, and this part. So this is actually loose skin. So I definitely do. And if there is anything I could have gone back and done differently, there'll actually be like a lot of things. Your nutrition, the additional supplement that you take, the rate at which you lose the weight, and there are a lot of external procedures and skin care routine that you can follow that I suggest to my clients also, that can drastically reduce your chance of getting a loose skin. But if you've already lost the weight and you've done a ton of mistake like I have, chances are you're going to have a lot of loose skin, and surgery is probably the only option. Question number 3: did you take fat burner? No, I did not take anything, not even whey protein, when I was trying to lose the weight, because I didn't have any guidance, right? I did it on my own and I just kind of experimented with a lot of things. There's absolutely nothing, not even supplements. Like, I wouldn't even take vitamins. Ideally, I should have. So I did not take anything when I was trying to lose the weight. Did you take whey powder? No, at that point of time when I was actually losing the weight for the first 14 months, I did not take any whey powder. When I got into heavy lifting and I started going to the gym and I could not supplement it with just my diet, that's when I started taking whey. Did you have hair fall? I had a lot of hair fall. I also had thyroid and I also had PCOD, so my hormones were all out of whack. And I also did like a lot of crash dieting throughout my life. So yes, I had like tremendous hair fall. My hair was like double in volume. I've always had long hair. I saw a lot of hair fall. I do take some supplements right now and I take very good care of my hair. But yeah, when I was trying to lose the weight, I did see a lot of hair fall. Do you give weight loss coaching? Yes, I do. All the information is in the description and on my Instagram. You can also book a free consultation call with me. The link is in my bio on Instagram. Were you in a were you in a relationship as fat? I was. So when I was 21, I had come down from 96 to 62, and that was because I wanted to get my revenge body. And after that, I gained the weight very quickly, like within 8 months, and start dating someone back then. And believe it or not, it was like the longest relationship of my life. It lasted 4 years, and during the majority of the relationship, I was on the heavier side. I was at least 90, 95 plus. A very, very good relationship, to be honest. And I think he's a fantastic person. It was just that probably I was going through so much issues mentally and emotionally that I offloaded a lot of my issues onto him. But wherever he is, I wish him nothing but happiness and success. What workout did you do? So when I decided to make the change, right, like just after my 25th birthday, I didn't do a lot of workout. I started with just walking on my terrace for an hour and a half because I was too embarrassed to go to the gym. I did not want to be the fattest person there, and it's understandable if you're going through that. So for me to completely make that shift and go to the gym and start like working out was a huge step that I was not mentally prepared to take at that point of time. So when I was at 115, I lost like a good 15 kg with just walking and controlling my diet. And after that, I started going to the gym. But even when I went to the gym, I did more of cardio. I think it was much later when I was like in my 70, late 70, 80. That is when I barely started lifting weights. And then I moved to Bombay, and there I did like good heavy weightlifting. So these were some of the questions that I guess asked very frequently. So if you have any question that you want to ask me, please let me know. I'll be happy to answer them in the next video. And as always, good luck on your journey.